A Springfield teen was arrested after police recovered 2 loaded firearms in the city this week. Springfield Police spokesman Ryan Walsh said this teen faces several charges, including carrying a firearm without a license. Police attempted a traffic stop Monday afternoon, and the driver refused to stop. The teen was a passenger and jumped out of the moving car. Police caught up to him and arrested him near Lakeside and Ena Street. While running, he threw a backpack that contained 2 loaded firearms, one of which was reported stolen out of Vermont.